Welcome to today's quick tutorial on hiding new threads after 1 hour in your Discord channel with a focus on how to update your server settings for better organization and less clutter. First, open Discord and head to your server. This is where you'll manage all the channels and conversations that matter to you and your community. Navigating from the homepage, locate the server icon and click into it to reveal the full list of channels and settings. Once you're inside the server, locate the channel you want to apply this setting to. It's helpful to choose a channel that tends to generate a lot of new threads or discussions. Long press on the channel name to bring up the context menu, which gives you several options tailored to that specific channel. This action is quick and designed to help administrators manage individual channels without affecting the entire server. From the context menu, tap on Edit Channel. This takes you into the channel's detailed settings, where you can customize everything from permissions to appearance. It may require a moment for the page to load, so give it a second to ensure you're adjusting the right options. You'll see a range of sections here, each one offering precise controls for how discussions flow and how content is displayed. Scroll down to Hide After Inactivity. This feature is designed to automatically hide new threads after a certain period of inactivity, helping keep the channel tidy and more focused on ongoing conversations. By default, you might see a different time setting, but you can customize it to fit your server's rhythm. Choose 1 hour option. Selecting this setting means that any new threads started in this channel will automatically hide after 1 hour of inactivity. This can be especially useful for channels that see a lot of casual chatter or time-sensitive topics, allowing important discussions to rise to the top while older threads fade away from the main view. After selecting 1 hour, double-check that the setting is saved. Return to the channel list to confirm the change is active. If you manage multiple channels, you can repeat this process for each one that would benefit from automatic hiding after an hour. That's all there is